Welcome to 9225 James Street, one of the Bellaria condo buildings. Here in Tower 1, you are conveniently located to all amenities, including Vaughan Mills Shopping, the new Vaughan Hospital, Highway 400 and the 407, the subway, public transit, and so much more. This building has many high-quality amenities, such as 24-hour concierge, security, fitness facilities, separate yoga studio, a games room with a pool table, a party room, guest suites and parking, and so much more. You have everything you need to be quarantined in this unit. Your bedroom, full bath, full kitchen, and ensuite laundry. You'll enjoy your open concept layout with 9-foot ceilings showing off those hardwood floors. And even your own private balcony overlooking the whole city from the 8th floor. Don't think twice about this unit before it's too late. Call me today, 289-814-TORY.